Hello everyone. This is a presentation from Ethio Rising Minds. Thank you for your time and your dedication to evaluate us. So, in our presentation overview, we will discuss about our mission, our solution, the problem, the wireframe for our solution, and the last slide we'll discuss about our restating why. So, I am Hewa Mangasha. I am a product manager of our team. Amanel Mindaye is our project manager. Lemnum Tsafate and Bacha Ayana are our UI and UX designers. Fikra Salam Muce is our data analyst, and Naol Baesa is our UX researcher. So for our mission, we built a simple low data learning tool that helps Ethiopian students and graduates gain real tech skills, earn trusted certificates, and move confidently toward work that matches their skills or abilities. So for the problem, in Ethiopia, approximately 20 up to 25 million students and users are fundamentally unprepared for their next career pathway, which includes AI-driven pathways, digital exclusions, AI literacy, illiteracy, and different skills. So this skill mismatch is created because of the profound deficiency in tech education, leading to economically dependency for Ethiopians' use. So this solution will address to the access by passing different infrastructural barriers, transforming students to make them more actively engaged in scaling up the foreign technology and closing urban to rural opportunity gaps by establishing a verified talent pipeline. Our solution, we will develop mobile learning platform that provides learning with low bandwidth and gives digital certification that could accessed by potential employers. So why is this solution chosen? The first reason is it directly tackling digital exclusion and skills mismatch. By the first one, this platform utilizes offline first design and low bandwidth UI. The second reason can be practical skill chasm. The platform addresses the critical skills gap by delivering hands-on, ethically informed AI or digital skills training and providing integrated simulated practical experiences. The other reason why this solution was chosen was creating a verifiable bridge to implement. Our why or our ultimate goal is to make information accessible and useful and to assist users in accomplishing tasks by leveraging the vast resources we can process and generate. We strive to be a reliable partner in learning, creativity, and daily productivity. Thank you so much. This is It Your Rising Minds. Thank you again.